Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and clean the... so first of all, clean this fork up. Got a WD-40. You don't want to jet wash a bike, especially around fork seals, or seals of any kind. And if you do it when it's dry, the mud just comes right off. All clean. Now, got to take this off, but if you could just pry it gently around the lip evenly. It's not gonna, but whatever. Slowly peel it down. Okay, it's out. It's not too bad. There's not really much dirt in there or anything, but there is a little bit. Some things did get past this this first seal, and the second seal is inside there. To be honest, I just use some of this visor and helmet cleaner. Shift it, spray it on, then just rub the seal up and down there and clean it all out nicely. What I like to do is just stick a seal mate in there. Now you can use a lot of different things, but these are pretty cheap, but you can probably make your own out of a milk bottle or something. They're just a thin bit of plastic. Here's that shape of that hook thing at the end. So I'm going to do is rub it on the inside. You can see it just pulls out bits of dirt like that. I'm going to go ahead and just do that to clean out all the little dirt. Just going to clean around that lip and then I'll put it back inside.
A couple of side notes. These bolts are held on with red Loctite, so they've got a very, very high chance of them rounding off. Someone ate my chocolate bar. I think it was me. He's always one step ahead. Now Honda CRF250s do actually have common occurrences, the fork seals going, even before you take it off-road. If you give a leaky fork seal to a mechanic or a shop, they will just say please change it. They will just say to change it. Cleaning it is something you can do yourself. The reason why mechanics probably don't like to do it is because, well, it's not guaranteed fix. So you'll pay an hour for them to try and clean it out, but it could be broken. But in this case, it worked for me. So maybe if you get a leaky fork seal on your 250, it might work for you. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. For more tips, tricks, and all that stuff to do with Honda CRFs, I've put a playlist in the description below that you can check out. Thanks for watching.